I just want to ask a question regarding the clamor of the people to declare persona non grata kay President Laco after that joke referring to that they are famous company promised to write a jet ski all the way to the Spratly Islands to plant the Philippine flag there. Not only was the promise unfulfilled, but its eventually administration was viewed as subservient to the Chinese government, particularly on the issue of the
Okay. Again, wala ko kabasan sa joke or nakakita sa joke kung asa siya. But kung unsa man ang decision sa City Council of Davao, it has to be a majority decision. And the City Council of Davao is the correct body to declare a persona non grata dire sa ato ang syudad because they are representatives of the 3 districts of Davao City.